If you've been looking to buy a new PC lately, you've probably noticed prices are climbing. The RAM crisis is driving up costs across the board, and it's only expected to get worse throughout the year. Memory prices keep increasing, making PC builds significantly more expensive than they were just months ago. There's an interesting alternative that's actually holding steady on price right now, the Apple Mac Mini M4. Hear me out on this one. The Mac Mini M4 with 16GB of RAM is currently $549 on Amazon, down from $599. There's also a renewed option for $499 with the same specs, M4 chip, 16 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. In today's market, getting 16 GB of RAM for under $600 is becoming rare. If you price out a comparable Windows PC build right now, you'll likely pay more, and that gap is widening as memory prices climb. The M4 chip has a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU. For everyday tasks like web browsing, productivity work, video editing, and general computing, it handles things smoothly. It runs macOS well and doesn't struggle with multitasking. Let's be honest about what this is. It's not a gaming PC, it's not for heavy applications that need discrete graphics. But for most people who need a reliable desktop for work, school, or general use, it does the job well. The compact size is nice if desk space matters to you. Here's what makes this relevant to the RAM crisis. PC manufacturers are already warning about further price increases. The Mac Mini M4, because of Apple's supply chain, has maintained a reasonable price. The $499 renewed option is actually what the first Mac Mini cost over 20 years ago, which is interesting given inflation and how much more powerful this is. You're getting 256 GB of SSD storage, which works for most people. If you need more, external drives are affordable. The machine also supports Apple Intelligence features as they roll out. Apple typically supports their Macs with updates for 5 to 7 years, so there's decent longevity here. That's worth considering when you're spending money on a computer. I know switching to macOS might feel like a big change if you've always used Windows. It's definitely different, but if you're already using an iPhone or iPad, things sync up nicely. If you're not in the Apple ecosystem, it's worth considering whether that matters to you. Look, I'm not saying this is the perfect solution for everyone. If you need Windows-specific software or want to game, this isn't it. But if you're flexible on operating systems and just need a solid desktop that won't break the bank during a RAM price crisis, it's worth looking at. The renewed option at $499 is particularly interesting if you're comfortable with refurbished tech. The new one at $549 gives you that peace of mind of buying new. Either way, it's one of the more reasonable desktop options available right now. If you want to check it out, I've linked both options in the pinned comment below. What do you think? Are you riding out the RAM crisis with your current PC or looking at alternatives? Let me know in the comments. And if this was helpful, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.